Hi and welcome back to my static life. Today we're going to do another walking tour. Today we're looking at a Willerby Mistral. Now this is a 2016. They've got it up at 26,995 and it's a 36 by 12 two bed. Now I've never been in a Willerby Mistral. Now again, this is an ex-fleet van. So we're coming in to the kitchen. Now this has got Willerby Ellerton vibes. Now, straight off the bat, just looking around, on first impressions, I quite like this van. It's clean, it's fresh, and for a second-hand fleet van, this looks nice, yeah? So, before we get any further, can you do me a huge favour? And we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button and then that way you'll get notified when new videos coming out. So let's begin. So looking across, we've got this nice big sofa. It's a big L shape. It is very similar to the Ellerton. We've got a little shelf to put your knickknacks on the windowsill, and sitting down, the cushions themselves feel fairly steady, fairly strong. You could kick back and relax on these. Now you've got a little unit in the corner that you can put your TV on, watch TV. Now you have got, weirdly, this old gas fireplace that is more from like the 1980s than it is from a few years ago. And then we've got the dining room, little L-shaped dining room, table, and a couple of little stools. The stools look a bit manky, them brown legs, and to be honest, the dining room looks like dining table looks like it's taken a bit of damage, and one of the legs looks a bit bent. But other than that, you know, it looks all right. It looks nice. It looks okay. And we've got this just generally brown carpet. Again, it's probably had a lot of people through, but it looks like it stood up to the test of time. Coming to the kitchen, it's just a bog standard L shape. The cupboards are quite nice though, because as they're shut, there's a little gap there, you see? So your fingers don't hit the sides. And at least they've got wood all the way to the bottom. And there's space there to put a little bin. Again, looking at the cupboards, someone's left the pots and pans already in for you. We're missing a microwave in here. Instead it's been replaced by this funky fruit bowl. But you've got the space for a microwave with a plug sitting underneath it. Bog standard sink. Little cooker that looks a little bit old and outdated, which is quite surprising. So van's a 2018, remember, and we've got what looks like quite an outdated cooker. And then we've got this outdated fireplace, but don't let that put you off. It's still relatively nice. Nice cream effect on the cupboards, on the front of the cupboards. I quite like that. And then we've got a big fridge freezer, and if you wanted, by the looks of it, you've got a lot more space there, so you could get a big double fridge freezer in there. Just, it seems like quite a small one there. Now hallway, it's quite wide, and let's go straight to the end. Oh, this is one big bedroom, right? In fact, it's a little bit wasted, its space here. So we've got a big bed here. Come around the side of the bed and we'll just have a look. You've got a couple of little units there, but look at all that space you've got there. You could in theory get a little small bed in. Or maybe you could get a cot in there if you've got little kids. That might be an idea if you've got a baby. A little bit of storage above. And then you've got these nice big wardrobes. So, lots and lots and lots of storage space there, so that's nice. So yeah, I think this caravan could suit a family baby, given the amount of space you've got for a cot. Right, coming through, let's find the children's bedroom. And here we have it. The children's bedroom. It's clean. It's fresh. They're fairly standard. This bedroom must be a little bit wider than the one, because even though they're using small sort of beds that they're using a lot of the caravans, there's enough space to walk down the middle without any issues, which a lot of them you sort of struggle a little bit. And then we've got a wardrobe. It's the same wood grain effect. It's nice, it's alright. It's definitely got, you can see the inspiration for the Grasmere in this van. This came maybe a year, 2 years before the Grasmere. And you can definitely feel it in this van. It shares a lot of similarities. However, I can't get my head around that fire when it's only 2018. Bear in mind the Grasmere came out only a year after. It just seems strange. Turning round into the bathroom. Now this is interesting. We've got a nice big sink. But then under it, we've got this little cupboard with a rail on. I'm guessing you'd have like a little curtain there. Which is kind of weird. Having a curtain under a sink kind of reminds me of that. Do you remember that programme with like dinosaurs, and there were like some kind of dinosaur underneath the kitchen sink and you threw food down there and it ate out waste? Kind of reminds me of that. We've got bog standard toilet. Again though, the toilet itself looks quite old. I can't help but feel this might not really be a 2018 van. And then we've got a towel rail. And we've got quite a big shower. Now the shower itself, oh, I thought there was glass there. The shower itself, if you look, like a yellow plastic. Again, kind of looks a little old. Right, let's find boiler, because that'll be truth at matter. What a wally. Anyway, that's all for me. So have a good night, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Now, question, would you buy this van? A 2016-year-old van for the sum of £26,995?